Hello there, namaste. Hope you're ready to start another day of meditation with me. So today we will be focusing on air element, and for this meditation we will be focusing on breathing. We're gonna do pranayama. So we will keep two fingers here on our third eye right here, and we're gonna inhale like that. Exhale. We're gonna do slow breathing and switch side to side however you feel comfortable. Just keep the breathing for that long. Just in, out, and out. This will help us clear out both our nostrils, because most of the time we have one nostril open and one nostril closed, and this kriya will help us have both our nostrils open. And just an FYI, for our next 7 meditations, we will be focusing on each chakra. So first meditation, after this meditation, will be about root chakra, and after that we're just gonna move on to the next chakras. The reason why I'm letting you know about that is because if you want to bring your crystals with you, your best friends with you, that'd be great. Great help for meditation, yoga, or just living day-to-day life with them, but not necessary. You could do meditation without them. If you don't know much about crystals and you're looking to buy a crystal, adopt a baby, I would suggest to have an amethyst, which is a purple crystal. And also, if not that one, you could also invest in a clear quartz, which is a clear crystal. Just make sure that whatever it is, just make sure it has a point. Like when you put it down, it holds itself up with a point, which it helps with energy, how energy flows. We'll go a little more deeper into crystals as we go along with our meditation. So first, when we focus on our root chakra and our root chakra crystal, we'll talk a little more about how they work and what it is good for, and their properties and stuff like that. I will list them on the screen, so you guys could either take a screenshot or you want to write it down, or however you want to go about it. So with that being said, let's begin with our today's meditation. So we're gonna start with pranayama. We will later on continue with our Om chanting. The reason why I always choose to do Om chanting towards the end of our meditations is because Om is something that concludes everything. It's the vibration of existence, or everything, or a sound, however you want to say or think it. If you don't know anything about anything like meditation, yoga, crystals, or whatever, and if you're just chanting Om, you're just connecting with the higher conscious, whether it's your higher conscious or the supreme conscious. So that's the reason why I love chanting Om, and I would love for all of us to chant Om, and that's why I'm concluding Om chanting in these meditations. So let's just begin today's meditation. We'll start with pranayama and we'll move along. Let's begin. In, out, let me show you this one. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, Okay, so let's begin our chanting. Thank you so much for being a part of today's meditation. It was a great experience as always, and I hope it was for you as well. Until next time, thank you. Time to pick a card for the day. Let's see what we have today. Coming back home. When you think of the word home or dwelling, you may initially think of the physical structure in which you live. However, I am talking about a different kind of home, the home within you. In the Buddhist teachings, this home is called Buddha nature, and it is the safe, stable, and untouched part of you that is home and has always been. It is the place where self-compassion practice grows the most within you. It is the purity of heart, the internal safety, the place that can rest in deep knowing. It is the place that self-compassion over time brings you back to, the place that you never really left. Your home has been waiting for you all along. My home has been waiting for me all along. For practice, feeling at home. Stand with your feet wider than your hips, about 3 feet apart. Take a deep breath as you reach your arms overhead. Let your arms swing down along your side as you exhale. Begin to allow your upper body to make little circles one way and then the opposite way, circling and swaying back and forth. Now start to move your body in a larger way. Maybe lifting your arms overhead and allowing them to freely move along with your torso. Move your legs into this free movement now. Movement that is unplanned in the mind. Unrestricted and free. Allow your whole body to move now in any way it wishes, as this is where and how that internal home lives, alive and open, balanced and free to be exactly as you are in this very moment. Take a release breath now and come to stillness. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly and say the following words. I can touch home. I am home. I have always been home. I can touch home. I am home. I have always been home. I can touch home. I am home. I have always been home. I can touch home. I am home. I have always been home. And that'll be all for today.